Alright, welcome to Fidget Spinnerverse World. We bought this sweet Harley, and we're ready to drop some fidget spinners on it. Now it's time for the drop.